Hello, Clifton families, and welcome to Mrs. Duff's 7th grade virtual classroom. Today, I'm going to show you how to navigate through this classroom to help you understand my class better and to allow you different ways to access communication to me. First and foremost, in the center of the chalkboard, this takes you to our Google Classroom. This is the most important place for your students to be looking this year. Please make sure that they are checking the Google Classroom at least daily to see if there's been any updates, any new assignments, or graded work. This is also a place where they can contact me. Under the people category, they are able to email myself, the administration team, the counseling team, or any of their peers. They will also be able to see the grades for the work that they've submitted through Google Classroom here. Another helpful tool is the I Am a Teacher poster. This takes us to the 7th grade syllabus. In the syllabus, you will find the class overview and what our focuses are on for this year, class expectations, grading policy, including a grading rubric to show you a little bit more detail, what is expected during the asynchronous time, which is our most different time during our distance learning platform, how to contact me during office hours, distance learning tips, and the structure for my class this year. Please make sure to review this with your students and contact me if you have any questions. Next, I want to take you to my clock. Each period has a different schedule. Please make sure to follow your student's schedule. Here, they can access my live Zoom link, our period 2 intervention link, as well as our office hours link. Next, over to the Home Suite Classroom. This is the expectations that I have during our Zoom calls. And here I give this to our students every day when we meet to make sure that they know and remember our rules. It's very important during this time that all students feel safe and comfortable with the learning platform that we are using. I also ask that cameras are on during this time to better use each other and to try to make it as normal as possible. This is a very difficult time, and so to try to make it more like a classroom, it's very helpful to have all the cameras on. I do understand that some families are choosing to have them off, and I do, again, understand that, but if I can please have that communication with you, and if you can email me to let me know that way I am sure to allow your student to have it off, but to make sure that I check in with them daily and make sure that is their face behind the camera. We also want to make sure that we are respectful towards one another and that we're all given the ability to answer questions and given the same opportunity to our education. Over to the left-hand side, you click on A Day Without a Math Teacher is like, just kidding, I have no idea, because math is used every day, is where you will find our weekly calendar. This weekly calendar will be updated on Sundays, and you can see that it has both the current week and the upcoming week. It continues to play back and forth, but you can stop it. But it will also have upcoming weeks or past weeks. That way you can refer back to something if you were missing a day. Next, I have some resources for parents. Over here on my bulletin board, some Clifton resources, as well as district resources. Parent Square is going to be the best place for you to reach me and for us to have our communication. Please, when communicating, list who your student is and what period you have them with me. That will better help me be able to answer your questions. Some resources for your students. Up here, the classroom expectations poster for mathematics will take them to the Khan Academy link. This is where a lot of their assignments will be coming from, so it will be a very helpful tool for them to be able to use. Khan Academy provides videos, assignments, quizzes, and assessments, and allows students the opportunity to repeat them in order to. This allows them to reach a level we call mastery in mathematics. Another helpful tool is the OWL, which takes them to the Desmos website. Desmos is another tool they can use, a couple different graphing calculators, and this will be another website in which students go to for homework problems or class activities. Again, this is my virtual classroom. Please make sure that you save your student's period link to your computer. That way you can access it easily and it will be there for you when you need it. Thank you very much for listening to me, and I hope you have a wonderful year in 7th grade math. Please make sure you reach out if there's anything I can do to help. Thank you. Bye-bye.